Hi, hey guys, this is more kind of a announcement video. So what you are seeing here on the screen is a PDF for interactive sheet of DO Sacker and the subject is environmental engineering or wastewater engineering. So what we have done in this PDF is we have made the whole PDF as an interactive one. As you can see on the screen, you are seeing waste generation source here, then point of mixing, okay, and a river stream has been given, a natural water stream has been given, okay, which is showing on y axis the concentration of DO and on x axis the distance or the time lapse after the mixing has taken place. So what you have to do, what is the interesting thing about this PDF is whenever you want to revisit the DO Sacker and you want to revise, you want to have a revision on this topic, what you have to do is simply just click on the zone you want to study more about. Let's say we are clicking the decomposition zone. It will directly take to the page where decomposition zone has been completely explained. Okay, for example, regarding decomposition zone, it is shown that it is the exact point where stream is receiving the wastewater from the outfall point. Then what about DO level at that specific decomposition zone, and what about the CO2 levels and condition of aquatic animals. Okay, and from this you can go back to main diagram where you can choose another zone. Let's say we are choosing recovery zone. Okay, you can see the recovery zone and all the characteristics of that specific zone. Okay, and once you are done, you can go to main diagram. I will be trying to upload more of such interactive PDFs, and you can find these PDFs on Telegram channel of Simplified Learning. What you have to do, you have to check the description of this video. You are going to find the Telegram channel link of Simplified Learning. Okay, and over there you have to join the channel, and in the file section, in the file menu, you will be receiving similar PDFs of various topics covered under civil engineering. Okay, so I hope you will have fun interacting with these PDFs. Okay, I tried to make them funny, simple, and kind of catchy ones. Okay, let's not make studying boring. Okay, that was the whole motto of this channel, whole motto of doing all these things for you. Okay, so I hope you will love this format. Till then, take care. Bye bye.